Will AI replace sales jobs? It's a question that's on the lips of every professional in the industry, sparking debates and uncertainty in offices everywhere. It's the question echoing through every sales floor and team meeting, fueling both curiosity and concern as technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace. The rise of AI is making many in our industry nervous about their future, as headlines predict sweeping changes and automation threatens to disrupt traditional roles. But let's separate hype from reality. AI won't simply replace sales jobs. Instead, it will fundamentally transform how we work, opening up new opportunities for those willing to adapt. The sales pros who embrace AI as a powerful tool, not a threat, will be the ones who thrive and dominate the next decade of business innovation and growth. Those who resist this technological shift, they're at risk of being left behind as the industry evolves around them. In this video, we'll break down which roles are most vulnerable, the uniquely human skills AI can't touch, and the practical steps you can take to future-proof your sales career, starting today. Let's start at the top of the funnel, inbound sales development reps, or SDRs. These are the professionals who have traditionally been the first point of contact for new leads, responding quickly to inquiries and making sure no opportunity slips through the cracks. This role is all about speed, efficiency, and qualifying leads, tasks that require constant attention and rapid response. But now, AI can handle these responsibilities better, faster, and at a much greater scale than any human team could manage. AI chatbots engage website visitors instantly, answer their questions, qualify leads based on set criteria, and even book meetings automatically, often before a human sales rep even sees the notification or has a chance to respond. The traditional inbound SDR role is being automated away as companies realize that software can handle these repetitive tasks with greater consistency and accuracy. If your job is just filtering, sorting, and forwarding leads to the right person, you're on the front line of AI disruption, because these are exactly the kinds of tasks that automation excels at. It's not about your talent or work ethic, it's about the job itself being fundamentally redefined by technology, forcing everyone in the field to adapt and rethink their roles. The need for humans in this repetitive high-volume role is vanishing fast as automation and AI continue to reshape the landscape of sales development. Now, let's talk about transactional account executives. Those handling high-volume, low-complexity sales. These roles are built on repeatable processes and predictable conversations. That's exactly what AI automates best. AI-powered self-serve demos, chatbots, and instant quotes are replacing the need for a human in simple transactions. If your main value is processing orders and answering FAQs, your position is at risk. Product-led growth powered by AI is making the transactional AE role obsolete. The need for a human guide in low-touch sales is disappearing. AI is making it nearly impossible for underperforming salespeople to hide. In the past, you could blame bad leads or luck. Not anymore. AI-powered analytics track every call, email, and activity, measuring effectiveness, not just effort. Your strengths and weaknesses are now data points. Sales leaders can instantly see who's performing and why. The safety net of ambiguity is gone. If you're not consistently delivering, AI will make it obvious, and your job will be on the line. The age of accountability is here, powered by AI. Manual data entry, the bane of every salesperson's existence, is being wiped out by AI. AI-infused CRMs now transcribe calls, summarize meetings, update pipelines, and enrich contact records automatically. Roles focused on logging calls, updating records, or managing CRM data are disappearing. If your job is feeding the database, it's time to pivot. AI is now the active assistant, not you. The bridge between sales activity and CRM is gone. Manual data entry roles are being automated out of existence. Now let's talk about what AI can't do. Build real, lasting human trust. In today's world, technology is everywhere, but the most meaningful connections still come from genuine human interaction. The best salespeople connect, empathize, and build confidence, skills AI can't replicate. They listen deeply, respond with understanding, and make others feel truly heard and valued. Emotional intelligence is about reading the room, sensing hesitation, and knowing when to push or pull back. It's about picking up on subtle cues, like a nervous glance or a hesitant tone, and responding with care. AI can analyze sentiment, but it can't feel empathy or share authentic stories. It can't recall a shared experience or offer a comforting word at just the right moment. It can't build the kind of trust that makes you a true partner, not just a vendor. Trust is earned over time through consistency, reliability, and genuine care for others' success. This is your moat, your ultimate competitive advantage. No algorithm can replace the power of authentic relationships and the trust you build with others. In a world of AI, your role is to be the ambassador of trust. You are the bridge between technology and true human connection, guiding others with empathy and integrity. Cultivate this skill every day. It's where humans win. By investing in emotional intelligence, you ensure your value will always stand out no matter how advanced technology becomes. In high-stakes deals with multiple stakeholders, humans still dominate. AI can handle scripts, but it lacks intuition and creativity for complex negotiations. You need to read nonverbal cues, understand internal politics, and adapt on the fly. AI can't sense shifting moods or propose creative solutions in the moment. When tough objections arise, a great salesperson pivots and reframes the conversation. This isn't about scripts, it's about artful, strategic thinking. Complex negotiation is a uniquely human arena. Elite salespeople hear what isn't said. Buyers rarely reveal their true motivations, hidden fears, internal politics, or past failures. AI can analyze words, but it can't infer the real story behind them. Humans connect the dots, pick up on subtle cues, and uncover the true job to be done. You solve problems buyers can't even articulate. This is where you create immense value and lifelong customers. AI can't match this level of insight. As products become commoditized, creative problem-solving is the ultimate differentiator. AI matches patterns, but when a novel challenge arises, it hits a wall. Humans innovate, collaborating, brainstorming, and architecting custom solutions. You co-create value with clients, building loyalty and winning deals others can't. In the age of AI, bespoke solutions are your superpower. Standard answers are free, creativity is priceless, human innovation is irreplaceable. Don't ignore AI, master it. The top salespeople will treat AI as a co-pilot, not a competitor. Learn the tools: AI prospecting, call analysis, writing assistance. Delegate repetitive tasks to AI so you can focus on high-value human work. Use AI for research, scheduling, and drafting proposals. Then add your strategic insight and empathy. Think of yourself as the pilot. AI is your autopilot. Mastering human-AI collaboration will set you apart. Efficiency and effectiveness will be your new edge. The old role of value communicator is dead. AI and websites do that now. The future belongs to value creators. You must generate new value for customers during the sales process, bring unique insights, challenge assumptions, and help buyers see their problems in a new light. Become a consultant, not just a messenger. Every interaction should leave prospects better off, even if they don't buy. The sales process itself must become a valuable service. What skills should you develop to thrive in 2025? Here are the top 5. Deep empathy and emotional intelligence. Connect and build trust. Consultative problem diagnosis. Ask probing questions to uncover real pain. Strategic business acumen. Understand your client's business, not just your product. Creative solution crafting. Innovate and tailor solutions for unique needs. Resilience and adaptability. Embrace change and bounce back from setbacks. These skills are your foundation in the AI era. Invest in them relentlessly. Run toward complexity. Specialize in high-touch, expertise-driven sales. AI struggles with complex consultative deals requiring deep discovery and custom solutions. Become a subject matter expert in your industry or technology. Move up the value chain. Seek out larger, more complex deals. Deep relationships and expert guidance are your differentiators. Specialization protects your career from automation. Position yourself in the most lucrative, rewarding segments of sales. The most important factor? Mindset. A fixed mindset clings to the past and fears change, guaranteeing obsolescence. A growth mindset embraces learning, feedback, and new tools. When faced with AI, ask, how can I use this to get better? Commit to lifelong learning and get comfortable with discomfort. The sales landscape will keep changing. Your adaptability is your ultimate weapon. Choose growth and you'll thrive. So, will AI replace sales jobs? No, they're evolving. Repetitive, low-complexity roles are at risk, but human-centric, creative, and strategic roles are more valuable than ever. The reps who refuse to adapt will be left behind. The opportunity is massive if you choose to seize it. Use AI to handle the busy work and double down on your uniquely human skills. The future of sales is about being more strategic, more valuable, and more human than ever. The future is yours to sell. Let's get to work.